Higher, back. Whoa! It's so freaking strong. It's so strong.
Welcome back to my channel, and we're in Thailand and I wanted to do a quick room tour for you. Now this room was really cute and really cutesy, really demure. It was not too large, it was small. We got a beautiful city view of Bangkok because we were staying in Bangkok first. A big comfortable bed, the view was beautiful. The cost for the room, I think we spent 4 nights here and the cost was under 20,000. We had a bath, we had a shower. It was very beautiful. I loved it. And let's look at the room tour real quick. Let's look at the room real quick. We had a safe, we got the iron board, got an iron, we had robes. Girl, boys, we had robes. A lot of hotels don't give that nowadays. We had coffee area, tea area, ice bucket, everything that you can think of that comes with a room, a well-kept room. We have it, and I love that. Look at the big mirror. Love that for us. Now this was a bathroom, and as I said before, we had a spa bath, we had a shower, we had a big mirror in there. The only thing I would say that I had a problem with was the fact that, and we have a separate area for the toilet, we had some issues with the drainage. In Asia, a lot of countries they have drainage issues, and there were a little bit of markings on the wall, but we spoke to the front desk, they came up and they cleaned it as best as possible, and I was cool with it after. Here is breakfast.
This is our breakfast is. Done. Take it over to people.
Yes, so many great options. Of course, they had Western style breakfast. I tried a bit of everything. Yeah, just want to add that we found Jamaican apple in Thailand. What? Now, a very cool tour that we did from Bangkok was that we visited a coconut farm, and they had like a lot of products made from coconut oil, sugar cane, and yes, I'm here moisturizing my skin with their coconut oil. It was so good, it felt so great, and I was just testing out the samples. I also drank sugar cane juice. I drank coconut. Some of the files got lost, but this is how cool it was. So this tour consisted of the coconut farm, the Muay Thai spot, and the market on the river. Very good. Loved it very much. And yes, the train street. We went to the train street where they have the train running in the middle of the street, and we had a bit of a snack there. So it was pretty cool. We had some snack there. That's what I mean. So we had some snack there. It was really cool. Look at me doing Muay Thai. And this is the market on the river experience, and baby, it was exciting. I'm going to say that the vendors can become a bit aggressive, so you just have to hold your ground. If you don't want anything to buy, just say no and keep it pushing. But we bought some snacks, we bought ice cream. They had coconut ice cream on the river. It was a really cool experience. We saw some wild animals, some snakes and stuff, like, yeah, so it was very exciting, very cool. And all of this was a part of the package. So they pick us up from our hotel, took us to the different locations and brought us back. And if you want ideas of what to look for, just go to klook.com and you can find all the tours there. And the food is just floating by. See a big crate of mango? I don't know how much. Look at the food just being cooked right in front of you. That was wild. Would you have bought food here? Like, would you have trusted the food? Drop it in the comments. Tell me what you think in the comment. And would you have gone to this location? I think it's a pretty cool location. I think we could apply this in Jamaica. It's just that we need to keep the river clean. That would be the part. That's the snake over there. That's wild. Drop some comments. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Mwah. Keep on watching. They're literally cooking it, huh? They're cooking it on the water. Also, what to add, Thailand is a very tipping country, so we had to tip the guide when we were finished. And here we are having lunch. So we had like a Thai type lunch, a lot of vegetables, rice, meat, and so on. And the food was really yummy, really delicious. We had fried rice, yes, shrimp fried rice for lunch. Now we're going to see the elephants. So we went up to Chiang Mai, and we stayed at a homestay where elephants were there. And this is what I woke up to in the morning. I was feeding elephants, baby. It was an amazing experience. So when we were finished with Bangkok, we went up to the rural countryside. Again, I booked a tour, booked a transfer with klook.com, and we stopped at the major spots, like some beautiful sightseeing spots, temples and stuff like that. And then we went and we got dropped off at this location to feed the elephants, stay on the farm with the elephants. It was just a beautiful experience. I really loved it a lot. And these are the clippings from that. It was great. I would recommend it 10 out of 10. Just check out Klook. If you're in Asia, check out Klook for tours, transfers, and stuff like that. Look how beautiful the elephants are. Oh my god, they're massive. Oh my god, that was cool. I was so excited. I waited years to do this experience, and the crazy part about it was less than 10,000. I think it was like 12,000 for the room, the feeding experience, and we got like a light breakfast. Listen, all my to-do list, my experience. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. It was so fun, such a great experience. If you go to Thailand, yes, they recommend Phuket and all of that, but go to Chiang Mai. Check out Chiang Mai. That's all I'm gonna say. And now. This experience was literally a dream come true, because what? Hey. Elephants are really gentle giants. Look how big it is, and they're so beautiful, so calm. I love it. Bungalow. I know we're not going to open the doors and stuff at this point in time. This is the door to the bungalow. You know, yellow curtains, the bed, and stuff. Yeah, tomorrow morning I guess I better. Apartments is the room is a bit messy, but it's a riverside room. And how do we open the door? She just opened the door. This is the view, bright and sunny. We're in the jungles. We got the mountain view and all that. There are elephants over there. is beautiful. It's beautiful and it's natural. Hi. Wow, what an interview. Ooh, sun hit me just right. Yeah, man. Ooh. Who went on the raft, baby? I was feeling myself upon this raft. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. But it was a great experience. Watch the videos, relax, chill. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.
Catch me if you can. Try to hold me down, but you know that you can't.
Bro, the occasion I've been here on pavement, so like you do it so blatantly. Old school did hand out my CV, but they said I never had no vacancies. Bro said lick it, it's only a course. Iggy's a shit if the squall ain't see. Just
I am here to remind you that life is meant for living. Go out and explore, see the world, pack a backpack, pack a suitcase, and just go and explore. Go and see the world. And I hope you enjoy yourself and you make beautiful memories and take videos, take pictures, eat good food, laugh, love, and be happy. Because really and truly, we only have one life to live, so let's be for real. I hope you have fun on your next vacation. Keep on watching, keep on enjoying. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Five-star play big move, let's fly down west for food. I was doing uptown trips with my boo when I should got a dip in rhythm and blues. Hotel trip, let me grip and shoot, come on old back shots to my tune. I was swinging my jacket, edge of the up, same day I came back to you.
So this is the cafe. We're like right along. So top things to recommend for Thailand: one, visit Chiang Mai, do the overnight. Just one night is good enough at this spot where you can have, I think it's called Shaila Orchid. I do remember if that's the name. It's on Airbnb, and just stay in a natural habitat. Wake up with elephants, feed elephants, go rafting, enjoy yourself. That's top thing to do in Thailand.
to this side as well, yeah? Okay, with the whole bunch, yeah? Bun, put many hand more higher, more higher. Higher. Oh. Stand beside. Stand beside.
Okay.
That one, yeah. Put them out.
Bug.
Oh, put them out. No, put them out. Whoa. I want on, yeah. Right.
Turning from Chiang Mai, and we got to see a beautiful view of the top of Chiang Mai. We also went up to the triangle, the golden triangle, where we could see Myanmar, Laos and Thailand. So that was pretty cool. And this is us just being tourists, exploring the country. I really enjoyed myself. I can't say it enough. If you ask me any questions about Thailand, I would just say check out Klook.
Look at the city view. Ooh, we're going to the spa now after a long day. Let us cross the road. We going to the spa. I think this is the entrance. Yeah. Ooh, it's so nice. This is so good. It's like ginger. It's something tastes like sorrel-ish, but in a bitter like sorrel, or have that taste there. But it tastes like sorrel. Listen, give me a good spa any day of the week. Today, tomorrow, forever. This spa was so beautiful. We started off with a foot scrub, foot massage, foot wash, then went on to a full body scrub, oil massage, cracking off the back, and we finished with a beautiful milk bath, which was so relaxing, so refreshing. I enjoyed every minute of it. And that's hibiscus tea. That's sorrel. Yes, Mia. I really enjoy myself. If you go to Thailand, next thing you have to do, get a Thai massage. Period.
What's that?
Tamarind sea salt.
Oh, tamarind. Oh, yeah.
This one is kapola.
Yes. Wow.
Good for cleansing and antibacterial.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
So I went to quite a few beautiful restaurants, delicious food. I had some really delicious food in Thailand, but this was definitely my favorite restaurant. Really chill, really relaxing, and authentic Thai food. Listen, that pineapple fried rice, bussin', fresh coconut, loved it. And then afterwards we went exploring and shopping, but the fires are lost. But trust and believe that you should visit Bangkok, you should visit Thailand, and if you need more information, more details, just drop a question and I'll check my itinerary and I will definitely get back to you with all the information and everything that you might need. So I'm not remembering right now the name of this island, but we found a day trip from Bangkok to this island on Klook, and we went on it, and I did this super cool experience. Look at me going in the sky. That was so fun, and I got to go to the beach as well, eat good food. What was included in it was, so this package included lunch, it included all the boat transfers, it included spending time on an island, a private island, including water activities. I did quite a few water activities on this day, and you'll be seeing it, jet skiing and so on. It was extremely cool. I loved it. I enjoyed my day, and my swimsuit was extremely cute as well. It was a seashell swimsuit. I had so much fun, and these are cool stuff you can do. Just a day trip from Bangkok, you have a couple hours and you get to see as much of the country as possible.
the pool. It's pretty cool. Yeah, the building. We're kind of over this corner. Okay. Let's see what we got. Here. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Yes, you cannot visit Thailand without looking at all the strange type of food and meats that are there. But yeah, did I give it a try? I gave chicken a try, I gave beef a try, did not give insects a try. That was a no for me. But look at it. A few other things that I recommend when you're in Chiang Mai, go up and see the Golden Triangle. This is basically where, as you see on that small little diagram, Laos is in one direction, Thailand is in one direction, Myanmar is in the other. And if you are daring, jump on a boat, go across, go and view Laos, go and spend some time in Myanmar, and just have fun. I would say you do need a visa for Laos. I believe a visa on arrival is good for Jamaicans. Next thing, go and check out all the temples, the beautiful white temple, all the different temples in Chiang Mai as well. It's a nice little day trip. It can also be incorporated when you go and stay at the Airbnb as well. So that's something cool to do. This is me enjoying myself, having a whale of a time. I would say you have to be careful with your dress code because you have to wear long skirt to enter some places. Go and check out the long neck tribe. Guess what? They're actually from Myanmar. Yeah, crazy. Go and see the blue temple as well. These are some beautiful places that you have to check out if you go up to Chiang Mai and spend some time. Yep. Check out the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on watching, keep on enjoying, keep on commenting. Love thee. Bye. Enjoy. The next thing on the must do in Bangkok would go on the cruise. Go on a cruise that have the different dinner cruise, sunset cruise. Take it. It includes transportation, of course, the cruise, and includes dinner. And it's really not expensive. It wasn't ridiculously expensive. We met at a central location. Use a Grab service. So Grab is very popular as taxi service in Thailand instead of Uber. Jump on a Grab, get to your central location, get on that cruise, enjoy yourself, eat as much food as you can eat, and take in the views, baby. It went right around. You got the night view of the city. Beautiful. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Love in and out. I'm feeling lean.
Sip on some wine and have a good time, baby. Look at me having a grand time. Yes. Now, another cool thing that we did in Bangkok was go to the temples there, of course. Now, they had a lot of tours, a lot of big groups there. But you can have a good time. Carry your umbrella. Carry your hats because it gets really hot in Bangkok. Bring your umbrella, bring your hats. It gets hot, but have a good time. Get a tour guide, a local tour guide. He carried us around. We went to the temples. And as you can see, we got in a taxi and we went around. We had street food. We saw different street foods being prepared. It was just a magnificent experience. Here, that's cashew. That's how they were getting the cashew ready for people who wanted to buy cashew. I'm not really a cashew fan. Here is coconut ice cream with all the ice cream in it that put on the brown sugar on top. It was a feast. I had a grand time in Bangkok, and our tour guide was extremely friendly and kind and sweet. Okay, so this is a beautiful.
This is surreal. Oh my god, I'm freaking scared. I'm at a freaking edge.
Should I be more carpeted on my phone? Jesus Christ. This is beautiful. So I went to this beautiful rooftop restaurant. No, it's Peruvian on the menu. I'm going to declare it right now. I'm not really a fan of Peruvian food after trying it. And the chef was so concerned, but I was just saying it needed a bit more spices and flavors. But this sweet treat right here was buzzing. They had some great shrimp sushi as well, grilled shrimp sushi, tempura type. Loved it. And then we finished the night riding around in a tuk-tuk. Have you ever been in a tuk-tuk? Would you want to ride around in a tuk-tuk? You don't have to take me in a car when we're in Bangkok. You can just put me on a tuk-tuk and I'll have fun. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you have ever been to Thailand, drop a comment. If you've ever been to Bangkok, drop a comment. If you have ever been to Chiang Mai, drop a comment. If Thailand is on your bucket list, drop a comment. I hope you love the vlog. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Enjoy it. Remember to go and take that trip, baby girl. Enjoy yourself. Get up there. Let's dance. Until next time, bye. If you want to see better pictures of this trip, check out my Instagram, the Traveler on Instagram, and you see all the cute pictures, the pictures of the food and all of that I didn't get to include. Bye.